As the Jeep brand pushes toward its future of zero-emission freedom, the all-new Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe, launched for the 2022 model year, represents the most technologically advanced and 4x4 capable Jeep Grand Cherokee yet, delivering 25 miles of all-electric range and 56 MPGe. Building on Grand Cherokee's legacy as the most awarded SUV ever, the all-new 4xe brings an all-new architecture, new plug-in hybrid powertrain, all-new exterior design, and all-new interior with world-class craftsmanship and first-to-market technologies to the full-size SUV segment. The Grand Cherokee's 4xe plug-in hybrid electric vehicle technology enhances the fun, freedom and adventure that the Jeep brand is known for, while providing unprecedented performance, fuel economy and environmental friendliness. New for 2023, the Grand Cherokee 4xe exclusively offers the Trailhawk model, which combines 25 miles or 40 kilometers of all-electric zero-emission freedom and 56 MPGe with Grand Cherokee Trailhawk's legendary 4x4 capability. The Grand Cherokee Trailhawk 4xe conquered the formidable Rubicon Trail and did so under all-electric power using electric mode,